At Dhumal Industries, we always strive to get the best quality poultry equipment for the benefit of farmers. We always think that our real customer, real consumer is chicken. And we try to give the best what the chicken needs for the productivity. And when the bird is in a comfortable environment, definitely the productivity increases and the benefit is given to the farmer.
A vision that began decades ago has today become a name synonymous with trust, innovation, and excellence.
India is the world's third biggest producer of commercial eggs and fourth biggest producer of chicken meat. So this offers Dhumal as a company not only to expand its operations locally, which is a huge market, but also use this experience and venture out globally.
Dhumal Industries continues to redefine poultry solutions with cutting-edge technology, unwavering commitment, and a deep understanding of the evolving needs of the industry. Every product stands as a testament to our pursuit of innovation. We craft solutions that revolutionize poultry farming. Our systems are designed for efficiency, durability, and sustainability, ensuring that every farm benefits from smarter operations and enhanced productivity. What sets us apart is our ability to bring innovation to the field. Our patented products are designed with a deep understanding of poultry farming challenges, ensuring unmatched efficiency and productivity.
During the business, for so many years, I started in 1979 until today, we are still going strong and we have the maximum market share in our business. The success behind this is because our core values. We never want to compromise on the quality. We never give any substandard material. Whatever is the set procedure, we never deviate from it. So we get a repeat accuracy in the production. As a result, there is a lot of trust the farmer has developed in our company. And we want to see that the trust is always guaranteed.
Spanning across 17 to 18 countries, our solutions have redefined industry benchmarks, making us a trusted partner in the global poultry landscape. Our commitment to excellence is recognized through our ISO certification and BIS compliance, ensuring every product meets the highest standards of safety, reliability, and performance. Every product undergoes rigorous testing to meet international standards, ensuring reliability at every level. A legacy built over the years is only as strong as the people who drive it forward. With over 600 dedicated professionals, Dhumal Industries thrives on expertise, passion, and a shared vision for excellence. Every team member plays a vital role in ensuring that we deliver not just products, but complete solutions tailored for success. Understanding the dynamic needs of poultry farming, we go beyond products to offer comprehensive turnkey solutions. Designed to optimize every aspect of farm operations, our systems not only save time, but also enhance efficiency, allowing farmers to focus on what truly matters, growth and sustainability.
आज आपल्याला पोल्ट्री फार्मिंगमध्ये जे काही टेक्नॉलॉजी लागते, जे काही आधुनिकपणा लागतो, निपल सिस्टम, फीडर सिस्टम किंवा कंट्रोल पॅनल, तो सगळा आपल्याला धुमाळ कंपनीने दिलेला आहे. आम्हाला अभिमान आहे की आमच्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये फार्मरमध्ये आम्ही ह्या प्रोजेक्टमुळं आमचं नाव झालं आहे. स्ट्रक्चर यांचं एक नंबरचं आहे. सगळं GI स्ट्रक्चर आणि त्यांचं क्लोज हाऊस आहे एक नंबरचं. प्रॉपरली इन्सुलेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये.
Dhumal Industries doesn't just provide equipment, they provide solutions that work in real-world conditions. Their turnkey approach has transformed the way we manage our farms.
Turnkey solutions will be a game changer going forward, and Dhumal is probably one of the only companies in the world to offer a complete end-to-end solutions with its in-depth manufacturing capabilities. We offer multiple packages for broilers, breeders, and layers. Starting from ground up, we help with the project design, the civil works, the housing infrastructure, the drinking, feeding, and climate control systems, finally aggregating all these activities and successfully handing over the project to the customer in the least possible time.
Dhumal Industries is not just about products, it's about partnerships that last. Every farm we empower, every challenge we solve, and every solution we deliver reflects our commitment to the industry. As we move forward, our mission remains unchanged: to innovate, to inspire, and to lead. We believe in engineering excellence, empowering growth, and transforming the poultry industry through our innovative solutions.
You can always rely on Dhumal to ensure you achieve the best possible bird performance. At the same time, years of hassle-free project life with longevity and durability of the products that you need.
Dhumal Industries, engineering excellence, empowering growth, transforming poultry farming.